Hey guys, it's me, July again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome, cute slime in a cup. So yep, let's get started. So the first thing what you're going to need is you're going to need this, well, any small container that would, what fits it. It depends what kind of cup you have that you're going to put it in there. But I would suppose to put like a clear one like this so it can help. So first I'm going to add glue right here. And I would put a little bit just in case, so that, yeah. And then what I'm adding is paint, so I'm going to add these colors. So yeah. So then next, the first color I'm using is purple, this color. And what I'm using is just something I found or anything, so yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. Going to mix it. And by the time you have it, you're going to get some clear contact solution. I'm going to add a little bit. And you're going to make sure you mix that very well, because probably if you don't, so then I'm going to go ahead and grab some baking soda. It's the wrong way, but yeah. And I'm using this to scoop it out. This is all I have. It's a little thing. And I'm going to go ahead and add half of that, or as many as you want. It's on you. It depends on you. Wait, I have to do something. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and mix very well. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the rest. And so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. If you hear stuff, sorry, it's my TV. It's kind of loud, so yeah. If you can hear things, because I'm not sure, because I can hear from all the way over here, so yeah. Now what I'm going to be using is blue, so before I get that, just wait one.